How much sleep do you really need? Have you ever wondered if you're getting the right amount of sleep at night? Or do you have the habit of neglecting or sacrificing your sleep for work or other activities? The thing is, sleep is incredibly important for good health. It's more than just a time to give your mind and body a break from the hustle and bustle of life. You may not know this, but your body does a lot of work while you're fast asleep. For starters, when you're sleeping at night, your body rebuilds muscles you've stressed during the day, and also get rid of harmful waste and plaques that are usually produced in the brain. Once this happens, you'll find that your mind and body will be refreshed, and of course, you're ready to face a new day. What's more, I've found that sleep plays a role in regulating our emotions. Failure to get enough sleep can make you feel moody, and to be honest, all that negativity can take a toll on your health. You should also be aware that lack of sleep can affect your body's ability to regulate your immune system, and it also disrupts healthy metabolic function. It's also good to point out that sleep helps regulate your internal clock, or circadian rhythm, the inner clock that typically runs on a 24-hour schedule and controls when you feel sleepy and awake. The thing is, any form of distraction at night, like sleeping at odd times or not getting enough sleep, can disrupt the function of this internal clock, and of course, affect the many processes it regulates. Are there other negative health consequences of sleep deprivation? Well, if you're among those who fail to get sufficient sleep at night, you should know that the harm it brings go beyond making you feel tired. Right off the bat, depriving yourself of good quality sleep impacts your ability to make good decisions and also takes a toll on your creativity. In a nutshell, sleep deprivation can affect your cognitive performance. According to study, people who get just 4 to 5 hours of sleep for several nights in a row are less likely to have good mental performance. In essence, insufficient sleep can reduce your productivity at work and even make you act less ethical to your colleagues. As we know, this can even put your job on the line. That's not all. Poor quality sleep increases your risk of developing life-threatening diseases like heart disease and diabetes. What's more, sleep deprivation has a link to Alzheimer's, a progressive disease that destroys one's memory and other important mental functions. So how much sleep do you really need? Well, it's all up to you to decide, since everyone has unique needs and preferences. It's however important to note that the amount of sleep you need at night is determined by your current age. For the most part, older adults, 7 to 8 hours, adults, 7 to 9 hours, teenagers, 8 to 10 hours, children, 9 to 11 hours, newborns, 14 to 17 hours. As mentioned earlier, the amount of sleep you need every night depends on your needs and preferences. Just make sure that you always feel strong and energized when you wake up in the morning. This is crucial.